Hey, welcome back to the Could Try Harder channel. You can see behind me, we've got a new project. This is a nice Mark 1, I say nice, it's not nice, a Mark 1 Golf Cabriolet. This is a weekend purchase on eBay, you know what I mean. We had a beer Saturday night and won a Mark 1 Golf on eBay, so that's where we are. When we bought the car, it wasn't running, so it's a non-runner. It had quite a bit of rust in the front panel. The rest of the car though looks strangely good, so sills are okay, that sort of stuff. This windscreen, however, that's going to have to get replaced at some point. I've got a bunch of replacement panels and stuff ready to go on. There's a bonnet over there, so you'll see that. That'll be a future episode. Windscreen will be a future episode, but for this one we'll be attacking that front panel. So sit back, relax, get yourself a beverage and enjoy as I...
Morning.
It's terrifying. Look
That thing, I thought you meant the golf. Wasn't that sad?
No. The wheel of death.
The wheel of death is deathly.
Naughty steel wheel of death. terrifying. Right. I should have full size.
Well, at least you've got the guard on. That's the main thing,
I have
you
the
know.
guard on, yes. The thing is almost entirely outside the guard, of course. But I have it on. You know me, safety third.
Safety third, indeed. Ooh.
Alright, so I have a piece, I've made a piece to go in here.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, which will fit in there quite nicely.
Yeah.
But I need to make a piece for the other side,
Yeah.
but I also need to cut out the bottom of the, like, what do you call them?
Do you want
chassis legs?
Chassis legs? Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, I see. So yeah, it was a bit like Swiss cheese, wasn't it? Really, that. I don't know if you can see people, but without the taste. Yeah, indeed.
So yeah,
so
so
that both sides are like it.
I've got to cut these.
Yeah.
They all go. They all do.
Yeah.
So next job, cut the next one out first.
Okay.
Some panels. It's probably not going to be big enough. Okay, this will do. Won't be needing these. Man, this eats absolutely eats batteries. But it does make short work of the fingers. there or thereabouts. We can tap the rest in, trim that piece up there. I reckon that's doable. See that? We now have the bottom to the arm. That's the end of that particular welding session. Got a section let in there. Let in, I love that term, let in. Like it wants to jump in there and it doesn't fight you for hours on end. Done both of the ends of the chassis legs with fresh steel and let another piece into there. So what's next? Well, I guess it's grind it all down, paint it, make sure it's all rust proofed, and then we get to weld on the front panel. But that'll be another episode, I think. I'll test fit this as you saw before, so hopefully that shouldn't be too difficult to get on. Once we've done that, we're then on to this delightfulness here. So, got the panel ready to go. I'm going to let that one in as well. Not all of it, just repair bits that we need. Get the rest of the paint off, make sure there's no more nasties hiding underneath. And that'll be that. Then we can get a windscreen back in. So that's it for this one. It's not quite got the whole front panel on yet, but it's turning into quite a long video, so I'll split this one up into 2 pieces. I'm sure there'll be plenty more to see later on. So if you have been, thanks for watching. That's it for this one. We'll be back soon with more on the Mark 1. Bye for now.